Hey everyone! Ready to completely transform your kitchen routine? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate multitasker designed to simplify your cooking like never before. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's an incredible 9-in-1 appliance, combining a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker into one sleek design. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still having every cooking method you need at your fingertips for quick, delicious meals. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart are its 15 customizable smart programs, making gourmet meals effortless with just the push of a button. Whether you're making soup, chili, poultry, or perfectly fluffy rice, these intuitive settings take the guesswork out of meal prep, making it a dream for busy home cooks looking to buy the best. And for peace of mind, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, a huge win compared to non-stick alternatives. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and save precious time, you absolutely need to check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus. We've linked directly to the official Amazon product page in the description below, so you can easily find the exact model we're reviewing. Its versatility, user-friendly interface, and robust build truly make it the smartest kitchen investment you can make for 2025. Seriously, if you want to cook faster, healthier, and with less fuss, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute game changer we highly recommend.